Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker baked macaroni and cheese, and I'll be using my new Ninja Foodi. This recipe is super easy and comes together a lot faster than traditional baked macaroni and cheese. First, I'm starting off with 1 pound of pasta. I'm using shells, and then I'm adding in 4 cups of water, or you can use chicken broth. Now I'm seasoning the pasta with some kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, some ground mustard, some granulated garlic, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a couple dashes of hot sauce, and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using the pressure cooker lid to seal the foodie, and I'm setting it to cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. While the pasta cooks, I'm going to shred 2 8-ounce blocks of cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I'm using the shredder attachment on my KitchenAid stand mixer. If you want more info on this gadget, I have a video and I'll link it up above and down below in the description box. Once the time is up, I did a quick release of the pressure. I removed the pressure lid and I gave the pasta a stir. There was still a little bit liquid left behind, so I did drain that off before adding the remaining ingredients. Now I am adding in the shredded cheese, and I'm mixing that in together so the cheese can start melting. And once all the cheese has been added, then I added in 12 ounces of evaporated milk. I gave that a nice stir, and then I topped the macaroni with another 2 cups of shredded cheese. And now I'm going to close it using the air crisp lid, and I hit broil, and then I set it for, initially I set it for 3 minutes because I wasn't sure how powerful it would be, but I think I ended up broiling for about 5 to 8 minutes. Just broil until you reach your desired crispiness, and here's the finished baked macaroni and cheese. Isn't that awesome? This gadget is just so cool. To be able to pressure cook and bake in one is awesome. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that red button, and don't forget to tap that bell so you're notified of my next upload. Hey, and stop by my comments and say hey. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen.